Okay guys, today we are reviewing this right here, the Everstart 750 pink amp jump starter. So it's as you can see from here, it's a 120 psi air compressor, and it has two 2.1 amp USB power. So what that means is that right here, those are the two USBs. It has an air compressor, which is digital and automatically stops when it gets to the preset pressure. It has a lamp, and of course a jump starter. So let's get into it. I got this for free, and that's the main reason why I'm reviewing it. And yeah, so we're gonna test it and see what happens. So I'm gonna start with the USB. Okay, I'm gonna start with the USB. So to make the USB work, you have to press, to make the air compressor work, you have to press this button right here, the center one. And then you select the pressure that you want with the arrows. To make the USB work, you press that one right there. To make the light work, you use this one. And to set the jump starter, you twist this right here. Like that. So let's start with the USBs. Let's test it on right there, and you press this and it works. Now let's test the other one. You press there and it works. And the other thing I'll show you is this right here. That works. And for the air compressor, we have to go outside, and for the jump starter, we have to go outside. So let's go out there and see what happens. Okay guys, here we are. So I already plugged that in over there. So all I have to do is come over here and press air, and then select the desired pressure. Right now it's on 25. That's the pressure over there. So I want to set it up to 33 according to the manual. There we go, 33. And then you press. It actually slowed down. So you could actually hear it slow down as it was approaching the 33. It was compressing fast, and then it slowed down so it wouldn't go over. And now when you come over here and you take this off, there's no leak. There's no leak like the other ones that go when you pull this off. So actually you have to redo the process again, because you lose a lot of pressure when you pull off the hose. So this is cool. That's really cool that it slows down as it gets close to the preset pressure. Yeah.
Tengo mala conexión.
No, no va a Ok, dale. Dale. Alright, so we just came back from outside, and as you saw, the air compressor works perfect. The jump starting does not work. I tried it in different ways. I tried connecting these to the terminals, and then I tried connecting one to the terminal, this one to the terminal, and this one to the chassis. And I make multiple attempts that I didn't show on the video, and it didn't work out. Also, the next thing I noticed is that this right here is hard to, once you take it out, it's hard to put it back in there. So you really have to do a lot of twisting, which is probably gonna damage the hose eventually if you're doing it too much. So this is a bad design right there. I'm not a big fan of this. Another thing is that this, you have to have that extension cord. This I believe it's 16 gauge, and the orange type, the one meant for that, not that Christmas light stuff, but the big thick cord. Another thing I noticed is that these things are made of plastic and they're scratching real easy. I wish they were made of rubber, but they're not made of rubber. So overall, it's a failure. I was not able to jumpstart my car, but only as far as the jump starter. As far as the USB lights, the compressor, and the USB, the light compressor, that works fine. And for me, I mean, I'm happy with that. I mean, I got this for free, so when you get something for free, as long as it works a little, I'm okay with it. Now, if you pay money for this and then you can't jumpstart your car with this, then you got a big problem, and you probably have to return this. So that's it. Thank you, Everstart, for sending this for free. Unfortunately, it did not work. I cannot recommend it unless you want it just for the compressor and the light and USB. Then it works great. But if you need it to jumpstart a car, I cannot recommend this at all. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.